is the bird itself. So that's why they like to cuddle up and sit here, because they'll think you're a mate. And they'll start running like that. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
You know when Ben's got her, she will put her head back and
Oh, yeah. It's all strange, isn't it? It's all strange, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, oh.
Stretch your wings.
It's so strange. It's so strange, isn't it? And you talk to them like little kids. Hello.
Lucy!
It's okay. Yes, I've got your foot. Do you want to give me a treat? I'll give you a little treat for being a good little girl.
Have you kind of holding her in so she's not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, they're just there.
Yeah, look. Oh, look what I'm going to give you. Oh, did you drop it?
No.
Did you drop it?
No.
Can we step up? Step up onto this head? Oh, you're so good. You're so good.
Wow.
Do you want another?
It's amazing.
Oh, you're so good. I know you want to run up to my shoulder.
Lucy.
Can you step
She's
up
never
again?
made that.
Can you
Aww.
step up again?
You want some attention? Yeah?
Can you step up to this hand, please? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello. Can you go around?
Oh, she has a few
Oh, and she's
wings,
good.
a few feathers
Aren't she
clipped on that
good?
side, yeah?
And she's good.
Well, apparently she has the wings clipped up from the previous owner,
Oh.
and they said that she'll probably need her wings clipped.
Yeah.
You know.
But it does take, obviously, see I'm handling her right now, I'm showing her that I'm not scared, and biting isn't, it does hurt a little bit, but you have to keep going, and they realise, oh, the bite's not going to do anything, so.
Wow.
I think
You wanna
she's
play?
a bit jealous of me
Yeah.
holding. Hey, we can give you a go next. So this is a good way to train them. Just keep putting them where you want them to be. Show that you're doing it. And then we can go step up and step down onto the perch. So do you want to step, go from behind, step up. Oh, aren't you good? Aren't you good? You don't want treats because you're a bit scared. Do you want to step up for me again? Step up. Come on, Matt.
Oh, I should have caught you. I should.
And then we step down. Aren't you good? Yes. Shake, shake. Can we step up again? Step up again. Come on. Oh, and she's so good. You're so good.
I do not mind the video. I just want to show my son.
And we step down. Oh, and she's so good. Hey, can we step up again for me, please? Step up. Yay! You're such a good bird. Yes. All right, I'll put you back and give you a little rest. Wow. Hello, you. Are you a bit silly? Do you want to come to me? Do you want to come to me? What's this?
I don't think she's, apparently they don't think it's ever been held, this
Can you
bird.
step up? Yeah, I'm going to have to catch her and she's just going to fly. So we have one Quaker that really doesn't like me because I go forcefully and try and hold her and trying to teach her. And Nancy's more gentle with them, so